So today we're sitting down for 5 minutes with Jim Craige from Leonardo. How are you doing today, Jim?
Doing well, thank you.
So you're here today to talk to us a bit about something that's pretty exciting in the world of security, I guess. So that is, of course, license plate recognition technology. So to start with, it'd be good if you could tell us why license plate recognition technology is a technology that we can get excited about.
Well, there are two things emerging in the market that are really exciting right now. One is automation and the other is integration. Automation allows you to take a lot of the labor-intensive processes like staffing gates or recording vehicle information and turn that to a mechanized process. So the license plate reader will do all that work for you. So it'll take the license plate data and integrate it into other systems. So you may have a security application, and this becomes then the key to unlocking a gate or blocking a vehicle from access. And even further, we can take that to perhaps a geofencing situation where you'll have a particular zone that vehicles are allowed or not allowed to go into, and they can be classified based off their license plate number.
Brilliant. So I'm sure you're pretty keen to tell us a bit about Leonardo's own Video Plate Hunter 900. So what does this particular solution bring to the license plate recognition space?
Well, the Video Plate Hunter is a revolutionary application. It allows us to bring the extremely high standards used for law enforcement license plate systems and apply them to lower cost cameras and systems. It gives us that real accurate license plate recognition capability at a price point that's attainable to a broader audience. So people who need to accurately use license plate information, the Video Plate Hunter allows them to be able to afford these systems and use systems that they might already have in place. So it gives them that affordability and a business enhancing model. And it also it applies great in the security industry where video cameras are already prevalent. So we can take advantage of that technology and add license plate reading as an accessory on top of that.
Are there any kind of real world success stories or first-hand experiences that you can share?
Absolutely. Our law enforcement systems have been used across the country and around the world to catch bad guys with stolen cars, find missing people, things like that. But breaking into more of a security market, we have a large shopping center that has every entrance and exit covered by license plate reader cameras. Typically a shoplifting case, the person may be observed within the store, but the vehicle information is unknown. And this allows them to have a perimeter security that gives them that information that allows them to track down the suspects involved in things like that.
So in your view then, would you say that license plate recognition technology is one that has pretty untapped potential still?
Oh yes, there's a great potential here, especially with the newer technologies that are coming out. There's low-cost cameras with great quality capture. We're able to bring in better optical character recognition, add these to artificial intelligence systems. The integration is a huge untapped potential right now, where we're taking that license plate data and using it, whether it's in a security model where you have lists of allowed or unallowed vehicles, or a business model where you're trying to enhance the customer experience through the use of license plate recognition. You might be doing something where a recognized customer enters the property and you know that they always order a particular coffee drink from your establishment. So you might start getting that coffee ready before they get to the door. Those kind of things are the types of potentials that we have that we're not even tapping yet over the broad market.
Just one final question. I was wondering if you have any kind of interesting facts or stats about license plate recognition technologies that you might want to share.
Yeah, sure. One stat that we know of is that approximately 70% of all crime involve a vehicle of some sort. So we know that when we're dealing with security, shoplifting, protection of assets, that statistic is going to translate over to this industry as well. The people who intend to do harm or steal from a business are going to be using a vehicle to get to and from that location. The vehicle is something that we need to know about in order to properly protect assets, buildings, and people. So the license plate is that key to knowing that, and license plate recognition is the way that we can sort of unlock the unknown and get to that information.